Captain Tinsley, Salty Bannon, and Salty Quicky, Salty Scotty.
Good evening.
We are here at Crow's Nest Marina. We're at the restaurant, and I've got the blackened grouper with Caesar salad, and Scott's got a
Grouper bites. Lots and lots of grouper bites. I got extra grouper bites tonight. They served me about 5 or 6 extra.
We just sailed in from Bradenton. It was a rough day. We were going right into the wind, right into the waves, so it wasn't a lot of sailing. Maybe about 5 minutes. So, but Scott got some great coverage going through the longboat pass bridge, the
In Bradenton.
The drawbridge, the longboat pass bridge, and he also got us coming into the Venice inlet. So we're real excited about putting that footage up soon. So stay tuned. Salty Bannon.
Out.